one word upon MCQ long ke bangi asan just thepegan lasi ko pilo Euclid algorithm bote lasono kiri nang po first ko pilo let a be a positive odd integers and b equal 4 kuna pelo 4 ke bang bote hola question on copy mo na paklang to from ho dak le thilang lo pilo fundamental theorems of arithmetic na vipe na than lai pilo unique factorization theorem kuna purong bote manghuri no pilo fundamental theorems of arithmetic fancy puro lata. Hello everyone, welcome to Kirby Warrior Educations. Pini ke Kecheng Sia class, lapen Kecheng Sia chapter le lang ponang lake chapter 1 real numbers. Lapen itum chin lo chapter 1 long ke Kecheng Sia chapter topic ke Euclid divisions lemma. Euclid divisions lemma. Kopilo la Canvan ke given positive integers a and b there exist unique integers q and r satisfying formula ke lahen lapen laso formula ke nangtum nang ning chibi back to MCQ fan one word one word lasila formula nang ning chibi to lapen laso topic long ta question ka selam do hola so question le claim panna look at use Euclid algorithms to find the HCF of 135 and 225 kapila dage 135 pen 225 sina pidi kolo bang la ke thege 225 C number आके थे नाइला सी को सो नहीं तुम तो ओके sin 225 is greater than 135 दे 135 दे के पिया a formula लदाई तुम के अप्लाई पोके पमहे तुम पिलो जथन के Euclid algorithms दे we use Euclid algorithms to find the HCF. (225) equal 135 plus 1. So no claim okay. So no claim okay. 225 minus 135 0 तानो वहीं गिरा के 90 दे sorry into 1 plus 90 next step 135 equal 90 into 1 plus कौन को 135 minus 90 के कौन को 45 next step 90 equal 45 into 2 के 90 को plus remainder दिन के कपिलो वहीं के डके 0 सिवांग को दों से तुम डके 0 लॉन्ग लूप लते डके stop check पा प्रोसेस में से कपिलो नॉन के तुम HCF के ना therefore the HCF of 135 and 225 is कौन को 45 ने रनिंग चिपी ना मीन आंसर के 45 दे आसन से वन वर्ड फन MCQ लोग के बांगी आचन जस्ट थे पेगन लसी को पिलो Euclid algorithm बोटे लासनो किरी नंग पो अपेना का प्रे क्वेश्चन नाम थुना so that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. Daga pilo na puke itum go pilo paklang ningke na itum pilo paklang ningke 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 ga pilo odd positive integer di odd positive integer. Ute question la itum kyan ji ke question la itum kyan ji ke let a be a positive odd integers and b equal 4 di kwan hola laso number na pike tumhan 4 di lase jake b equal ke 4 according to Euclid algorithm formula di age pilo direct itu medam finani formula by Euclid lemma formula pemhet panang ning dolama ave formula a equal bq plus r pilon ke pilon b lapen remainder ko pilo da non ko no remainder wa inke dake and r equal 0, 1, 2, 3 lo jong si 4 nang pi pute 3 antong jong si 3 nang pi pute 2 antong wala nang ning chibino apen nam ni ko pilo kem dike then four q plus 0 pilo के un जौन से रिमाइंडर 1 लोग ते पिलो के a 4q plus 1 लगे पिलो के odd अपन रिमाइंडर जौन से 2 लोग ते a equal 4q plus 2 लगे पिलो के un जौन से रिमाइंडर जौन से 3 तो है ना पीपल लेते a equal 4q plus 3 कॉमा लगे पिलो के odd दे नोने दाई तुम थे लोग आप लोगों पिलो फर्स्ट लोग के un सेकंड लोग के odd थर्ड लोग के even फोर्थ लोग के odd लगा पिलो तो है ना पकलां तो के positive odd integers दे positive odd integers दे people positive odd integers the people now the odd integers the lapen lah di pilo kita ke therefore any positive odd or any positive odd integer is of the form if the forms 4q plus 1 or 4q plus people 4q plus 3 see तुम solution के इंटन को बुझी मां बुझी फर्स्ट को पिलो let a be a positive odd integers and b equal 4 कुना पेलो 4 के बांग बुते होला क्वेश्चन को पी मो ना पकलां तो फ्रॉम हो दागले चिलांग लो बा Jong se da jong se 3 nang pi pute dake 2 jong se 4 nang pi pute dake jong se da 4 nang pi pute dakta 4 jong se da jong se 3 nang pi pute la dakta 3 po la nang ning chi pin la pen next step la to ete ko pilo by Euclid lemma bole chok by Euclid algorithm bole chok aja to chok angka next ko pilo formula pam het nang thana formula nang ning chi pin la formula chi tong la dete and remainder ke 0 1 2 3 ne 0 1 2 3 don't see oda form don't see tuman 3 and 3 q plus 1 puna p basan den atum kam la tong ning ke 0 1 2 से टॉक चना पो then पिलो रिमाइंडर के 0 a equal 4q plus 0 ढुके को पिलो काम पोला के 2 पेन डिविजिबल दी लासी लके even रिमाइंडर 1 ढुके को पिलो लके 2 पेन डिविजिबल कली दी ला पेन रिमाइंडर 2 ढुके पिलो लता 2 पेन डिविजिबल ला पेन रिमाइंडर 3 ढुके 2 पेन divisible ने दी Let's take a pillow. Therefore, any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. See, that's also solution ke lapan se inton ko lapen next equation nam thuna. Next equation e ko pillow na pike. Pillow two rows are of length 64 centimeter and 80 centimeters. Both are to be cut into pieces of equal length. What should be the maximum length of the piece? Kopilo maximum length. Dake mane aki onki on e di. La duita pen kopilo ka choman poke. Whole ale nang ning chibin pute kopilo ka choman poke. Aki onki on e di. Yo on e pute kopilo ven ke dake. Kopilo ke bang poke. HCF. Nang ning chibin. So now we claim poke here. Here 64 and 80 sin kopilo ke kolobang laga theke 80 di 80 is greater than 64 by Euclid division lemma kopilo sono top okay 80 equal 64 into 1 plus 1 po into 1 plus 1 po into 1 plus 1 po 64 70 16 di 16 chok ma chok che 16 chok ma chok che chok di 16 chok the next ipilo ba ke 64 equals 16 into 64 ke 24 pote 24 4 1 di kan plus 0 none kan pe tum ke stop ke 16 adu ben si tum 0 long lo jong si 0 ke long lo bote copy pai tum HCF ke copy pai tum HCF ke therefore ko HCF ke so the HCF of 64 and 80 is कौन लोग लेंगे 60 नहीं therefore the maximum length of the piece is कौन को 16 centimeter highest common factor है को people 16 so ये दे next topic lang nam thuna को people के fundamental theorems of arithmetic को people के ना भी के prime number chini machini ne prime number ko pilo dage the number which is divided by either one or itself calls a prime numbers ko pilo people lagi divide poke aneji pen khalite 1 pen latum ka ajir po koma lagu doke aneji pen 1 ajir kapre ka bilo tumke only 1 pen anchol ajir po doke example like tume name de for example 2 3 5 7 11 de lai tumke akapre ka number pen ke ajir po bilo lapen kopilo latum ke aneji pen dopo lapen akapre pen ke only 1 anchol example like 2 bhanon si tum lang dam pote 2 ta okay tibul pon laglang ke 1 into 2 pen di lata koson elo 2 long lo 2 into 1 only 1 pen anchol 3 long sa milang namte lason si plang po 4 sorry 5 7 11 lason si prime number ke dam bom po prime number de example like laban trade ke people 13 17 19 de that implies prime numbers have only two factor that is 1 and itself that implies prime number has only two factor that is 1 and itself ai ko pilo ki binai chin lo prime number lo 2 2 is the smallest prime number it is the only less prime number de anani chimino akapelo na ko pilo next banke composite numbers ko pilo the number which has more than two factor is known as a composite numbers pilo composite numbers tumke la tumke a factors do hoy di 2 pen aki ong tum pamo ko pilo prime number tumke aneji pen dopo la pen 1 pen dopo di la pen composite numbers tumke abc 2 pen abc sige do de ko pilo la bote example 4 6 8 10 di example 4 han la pipen lo 1 into 4 ta 4 2 into 2 ta 4 la pen 4 into 1 ta 4 la tumke ko pilo puke has which has more than two factor lake two factor pe na ki ong number de nasi lake composite numbers lapen eson du thulanga chini nenji ko pilo 1 de 1 is neither a prime nor a composite numbers 1 ke prime number ta kali lapen composite numbers ta kali labang nang ning chibina lapen ko pilo smallest composite even number is 4 and the smallest composite odd numbers sorry odd number is 9 the next example kupla da puke prime number have only two factor factor 1 and a number itself as 1 is not a prime number do not include it when expressing a number as product at prime factor kapla ini puke claim tu si bang choriti de kita 1 of hanke tum prime number puta puponu ne lapen composite numbers puta puponu ne next lang suna pilo lake co prime number people itum co prime number pupre ke itum prime number tum de le ko pilo only one pen shot keli la duta along one shot keli common ko pilo composite numbers adhuta do koktiti lang nang no co-prime numbers are that have only one prime factor of 1 this means that a number is set to co-prime when it is greatest divisor is 1 example below 8 and 5 sinapi 8 and 5 pote de 15 3 5 ke 15 5 1 ne okay 8 long ke kapilo 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 15 equal 3 into 5 into 1 kapilo da common ke only 1 answer de a kaprek number ke common avilo hola sondhu bhansi prime pilo hola sondhu bhansi co prime number pugipulo nangning sibino lata tamu mcq long ke bang ya chances pen next lang thona pilo factors of numbers factor of numbers cinema chini ji di silang pona pilo lake it is a number divides another numbers exactly without learning any remainders then the numbers which divisor is called a factors of numbers that has been divided for examples 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 12 and 24 are the factors of 24 factor sini lo gede isia number long pen laso number copy p ben si ki multiply un mala pen copy p multiplication table long si ke long ma de example tum lang namang dakhe copy lo 24 an sina pui de 24 of hansi nang api example tum lang namang 8 of han de 8 factors se pp po 8 factors ke lang nama 1 into 8 ta 8 de 2 into 4 ta 8 and ke lang thuna 3 long ka ve 4 long lang thuna 4 into 2 ta 8 la pen next lang thuna 5 long ka ve 6 long ta ve 7 long ta ve 8 long lang thuna 8 into 1 ke 8 de 8 factors ko pp po pote 1 2 4 8 de like a soft 8 factors side last one say factors of numbers begitu next topic lang thuna factor 3 interesting factor 3 look at it is a chance of factors of a number which is represented in the forms of a tree thing pia wrong thing pia wrong pillar 24 sina pi de 24 te hala tum ke claim do a box bu bonai krai po ko pilo 2 quanto 24 ko pia table pelo 2 into 12 de 2 into 12 hote 24 next one to po ko pilo 2 2 6 ke 2 angko 6 se tha to po ko pilo 2 3 ke 2 3 ke 6 last one fancy ko pilo 3 factor 3 puki pula next one nam tuna prime factorizations prime factorization chini ma chini prime factorizations a way at representing a number as a product of its prime factors and it is also used to find out the HCF and LCM kopilo prime factorization ke itum ola HCF and LCM kiri edu pilo HCF and LCM kiri edu se prime factorization po people si prime factorization po kipu kok tilo langda ma example p number lo ken poke 24 pen 30 ni pas 24 on factorize na 2 12 2 6 2 3 3 1 pulang tu na 3 into 10 2 into 5 5 1 ke 5 24 lang nama 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 lapen 30 dhuke 3 into 2 into 5 into 1 ni kupilo lahai number lang tha lahai number lang tha line number pilo prime di so prime number se dila so pase prime factorization base kipulo kopilo prime factorization ke HCF and LCM period adhiwa fan di the fundamental theorems of arithmetic kopilo every composite numbers can be expressed factorized as a product of primes and this factorization is unique apart from the orders in which the prime factors occurred. La FDA के fundamental theorems of arithmetic is called a unique factorizations theorems. Mohoda below fundamental theorems of arithmetic na vipe nathan la below unique factorization theorem puna purong pute mahurino kopilo fundamental theorems of arithmetic phansi ki pulo lata. La pen kopilo composite numbers equal product of prime numbers kopilo composite numbers equal product of prime number pamhete tum claim elo mati de langtha kopilo lake pura 24 itum lapuke sob lapuke composite number ro lapuke product of prime de itum lahai pot calculate lapte kopilo ke long thui ke 24 mase chelong pode so question antha kopil dang nai poke explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13s and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 9 are composite numbers. Dak number lang tha. Line number lang tha. Line number lang tha copy lo. So prime number side de. Stella hai phan copy polo. Composite numbers puke. Line copy polo composite numbers puke. Lang na. Langa below here 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 line to the ganpo 1 0 1 4 this implies factorize kori na so number ha copy lo 1 0 1 4 1 0 1 4 2 5 ha 10 0 2 7 ha 2 7 ha 14 2 7 ha 14 next one to na copy lo 3 1 ja 3 da kano do ke 20 3 8 ke 3 6 के 18 होदा 27 लो 3 9 के 27 169 देखो पिलो 13 into 13 पे 169 1014 equal 2 into 3 into 13 into 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 9. Now you can no longer get 5 0 5 0 4 5 5 0 4 5 5 0 4 5 equal convent pogawang lake convent pogawang lake convent pogawang ke lake yon se last 5 digit do te convent ada munji ke 5 0 sorry 5 0 4 5 5 10 के 50 5 के 5 9 के 45 1009 itu factorization nama factorization ini people lo lake prime number 5 into 1009 copy lo da oke non ke lahai lang tha copy lo la copy number lo la copy number lo non ke la duita ke copy lo composite numbers nan che plang dat la koson itum composite number nan che plang dat puka chini ji ke composite numbers pinak posi itum factorization dat la de jong se prime number person de lage itum ke lason ke factorization elo de ma factorization ji factorization elo dasan atoi ke therefore since the number can be expressed as prime number, therefore 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 9 are composite numbers. There, people, saying the numbers can be expressed as prime number. There, don't say saying the number can be expressed as product prime number. Sorry, product prime number. Don't say composite number. Don't say to make a pillow prime prime number di. Composite number kali son te tumki un elo lahi ka pillow kometa nang thane lo laka hai ke composite numbers. Ini ke da ke dua number ani ka pillow lahi ke sob prime numbers hai de ladak talo. De. The pillow na puru ke explain why di prime number pinara ko pillow composite numbers puke lahi lo ko pillow ho la prime number nang piano por ko pillow itum ko pillow factorize undet. Ko sono ke factorize pen express ke sivelo. Below, since the number can be expressed as product prime numbers. Next question namtuna. Next question is consider the numbers 12 and where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 12 and n with the digit 0. The play to manakar consider the number 12 is a number 12 where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 12 and n with the digit 0. Lojak nahi puke dake itum 12 kupilo 12 and with digit 0 itum 12 अपन इतम factorize तेला इतम 0 लो इंजिप है क्वेश्चन लो और ऐसी अफेक्ट ना पीडो को पिलो दके इतम के 2 into 5 sorry 2 and 5 होला इतम अजर नंबर नंग पीस तमे इतम 2 pen 5 के long वेक नंग जों सी 2 pen 5 जों सी इतम long ले प्लोते लगे को पिलो इसी नंबर long चट के लगे 0 pen 0 ni sita hini a number itum 2.5 hini a number long lo bote lake itum pilo lage 0 pen pipolo bote 2 into 5 ke 10 sa solution leklema solution to pilo claim ke solution let's see kapilo 12n hala let's see 12n kapilo 12 hani tum factorize kori na pilo 12 2 6 ke 12 2 3 ke 6 pilo 2 into 3 ni apa nang ko n apan itum kosan n thuna n abidu ke 1 n thuna 12 1 in equal 2 into 2 into 3 ako n thuna 12 2 2 into 2 into 3 population market 2 into 2 into 3 ni dai tum 2.5 thek long ma 2.5 thek long ma itum kopilo lada ke first long ke tum 2 ke long lo second long ta 2 long lo lapen third long ta 2 ke long lo sida kopilo tum ke long leke 5 di sin kapilo prime factors of since prime factors of 12 and dozens contain 5 di pameta na thalo ko pila la so concept ke itum 2 pen 5 के हिनिया नंबर टा दो वेग नहीं जिसता नॉन के तुमको पिलो किलोंग चट के ओनली इस सिवेरा नंबर्स को पिलो किलोंग के ओनली 200 किलोंग दी दसी डाक्टों लो सेम प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12 doesn't contain 5 दके 5 long de lo na suppose ko pilo therefore 12 and ko pilo 12 and cannot and with 0 consider numbers 12 and where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any positive of n for which 12 and with the digit 0. Di 12 itong chino lagi factorize iklan long isnang lang dak lo di. Lagi itong 0 long ipo. Dahil ko pilo naik lang ke 2 long lo 3 long lo di. 5 ke long last itong tokan lo ko pilo. Since prime factors of 12 doesn't contain 5, therefore 12 n cannot end with 0. Di. Next question nam tuna. Next question, next topic ko pilo lagi prime factorizations. A number as product of its prime factors and it is also used to find out the HCF and LCM. Pamita itong jithan elodi lagi. Ko pilo prime factorization ke ko bifan lo. And it is also used to find out the HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM kiri fandi. Pen solution idam china. Write the HCF of the smallest composite numbers and the smallest prime numbers. Pamita ya tumanang thanelo di. Solutions kopilo HCF pilo HCF of smallest composite number ke pilo HCF of smallest composite numbers ke 4 di. 4 is pilo lagi 4 is the smallest composite numbers di ane kapilo and the smallest prime number ke kapilo smallest prime number ke and 2 is the smallest prime numbers di man pina. Now 4 panke tum 2 into 1 2 panke 2 into 1 ko pilo da common ke only 2 di ito ko pilo HCF of 4 and 2 is ko pilo 2 is 2 pilo therefore the HCF of smallest composite numbers and the smallest prime number is kupan lo pamhet mlong ke lodi 2 de pamhet itum la supori na phai di HCF long pen HCF tho sorry smallest composite numbers ko pilo 4 la pen smallest prime number ke 2 de ason sis question na bonai bipi one word fun next ko pilo dake find the HCF and LCM of 84, 90 and 120 by prime factorizations method. Prime factorization method pamheni na paklang lo di. Tema solutions here 84. So lo 1684 2 4 2 2 2 1 ke kan po 3 3 7 deh 3 7 kita biplo dah kapan ke 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 deh next round tenang kilo 90 deh sorry 245 5 9 are 45 3 into 3 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 next dito lang kapilo 120 120 5 deh 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 dah pilo common ke dah pilo common do ke HCF long ke 2 dah ke 2 ave do di dah ke 2 dolang pela pen ko pilo common tulang ke 3 anke kapag do tulang ma ave do di oke ko pilo HCF of 84 84 comma 90 and 120 is quanto 120 equal to तुमको मान लो कि 2 into 3 तो देखो देखो 6 देख HCF of 84 90 and 120 के कौन लेंगे HCF के 6 अपन LCM हल नाम सुना LCM of 84 comma 90 and 120 này con lo first penta वाला 2 pen 3 के तो तांग लो दी नने को पिलो दा कॉमन तुलन के sorry के लासो 2 pen लासो 2 खंडी anke komadala laso 5 pen laso 5 ta dalandi kita klik ta dalan dan pilawan tulang pen nanke ora 2 isi bang thupo lapen 5 isi bang thupo lapen anke ko pilawan tulang ke 2 into 3 into 7 kan po chini ma 2 5 2 5 2 0 तो 3 के 6 6 2 के 12 12 5 के 60 langsung si dam bom si kan nolong ke 2 5 2 0 deh asal fancy ko pilo prime factorization method pulo naning chibina next question nam tuna relation between numbers and their HCF and LCM pilo if HCF of two number is 2 if HCF of two number is 2 and their product is 120 find their LCM dai ko pilo ito na pilo HCF के नाम पेलो कान लो HCF के नाम पेलो 2 lapen product number कौन है तो ना पिके 120 lapen को पिलो kiri नहीं के LCM nang lang non given HCF equal to product के 120 lapen LCM के nang pipi now si formula do ko pilu lakirihan ke HCF into LCM equal product of two numbers deh, product of two numbers dake it's HCF equal to hana pike 2 LCM ke nang pipe and product of two numbers equal to hana pike 120 implies LCM equal 120 by 2 कान पड़ा के उठे तुम LCM के कान पो LCM के 60 therefore LCM equal 60 hey di lesson ke joy ke just la formula lang ning chibinon HCF into LCM equal product of two numbers jong si HCF nang pipute HCF pen HCF nang pite la non son damo LCM pen jong si product of two numbers rineng ji pute ha puin ke non son si eson bak enapu di example mesh long ke itum kadok we da chi no mesh long copy lo ke en ki ena ning ki hang nai ke mo comment section la pithala copy lo ke ena ning ki hang nai ke x di la si x itami tumi en pon milo non stami dak LCM along pon stami itum x en pon milo halake mo ke claim dule matha pon den non ne banke only just LCM se tok pon thod next solution dama next solution makapilo the HCF of two numbers a and b is 5 and the LCM is 200 find the product of ab dake kopilo pangbe na thala non ke dake product sigeri nei dake kopilo product ke a pen b the HCF of two numbers a and b sina pidapa a pen b value kirina po a pen b value sina po da kopilo ituman HCF na pilo 5 la pen LCM na pilo 200 la pen kiri nei ke product of two numbers dake kopilo ab solutions lo ituman na p ke given HCF equal के कॉल ना पिके 5 LCM equal ना पिके 200 दे लापेन product of two numbers के करी नाम पो products of two numbers okay okay kopilo ab so now pilo pam head formula ning dalam ave HCF into HCF into LCM equal product of two numbers pilo dake dona pike HCF equal na pike 5 into LCM ke 200 product of two numbers ke ab pasi kipu di ke 5 into 200 kan po 5 to ke 10 hola 0 dita dala 0 dita to kono a b therefore ab equal 1000 पांसिंग पन कॉकला सॉल्यूशन तो पिलो नॉन दाके लासन से सिचुएशन मो एग्जाम जुगा सिचुएशन आ कपरे नंगला पिबोम थाय सेता जस्ट नानी चिबिनिंग के लासो फार्मूला होराय तला पेन आ क्वेश्चन पढ़ी पामे का तु कॉपी सिनांग पी मा कॉपी सिनांग पी पे मा होलाय चिलांग पामे का तु नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाम थुना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मींस नेक्स्ट टॉपिक कॉपी दाके रिप्रेजेंटिंग रेशनल्स एंड इरेशनल नंबर्स हां rational numbers pen irrational numbers pen irrational numbers sini masini na tum chini ji de ke chari long tang sai de le below a number which is either rational or irrational is called real numbers different components of real numbers can be understood with the half of real numbers below real numbers ke numbers de कपिलो मतलब क्या rational numbers कपिलो rational numbers definition क्या लांग था below a numbers that can be expressed as p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called a rational numbers ko below q तुमके 0 के long on a ko below update के 0 long on a दे okay p by q form दे q is not equal to 0 la नहीं चलें okay example like 3 by 5 7 by 9 the 13 by 15 minus 7 by 3 हो रहा है अबेर नंबर के आके ठेना पोलाम सी लासना नंबर सी rational number on irrational number नाम सुना irrational numbers को पिलो a numbers that cannot be expressed in the forms p by q where p comma q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is called an irrational numbers को पिलो लके expression एलो rational number तुमके p by q फॉर्म के लाना नहीं चाहिए ना जो rational तुमके p by q फॉर्म के दो on लो q के 0 मान एलो लापेन irrational number से दो के कॉपी लो a number that cannot be expressed in the form p by q irrational तुमके p by q फॉर्म के ना तुमके दो on एलो examples root 2 root 3 root 15 pi minus root 2 by root 3 दे लाइड like examples लाइड number के सब irrational a number side dela based on the transplanatic if a numbers cannot be written as a fractions and has a non-terminating non-repeating decimal forms it is irrational if a numbers cannot be written as a fractions and has non-terminating and non-repeating decimal forms it is irrational numbers जो से fraction तो अपन a प्लते को पिलो fraction तो अपन a प्लते लके irrational number नांग ची बिनो लापेन irrational numbers चेतानो निवांग चित को पिलो इतुम claim bomb नो दे root 2 is irrational root 3 is irrational root 7 is irrational root 9 is irrational चेतानो वे के चार्ली बांग के असब सु फ्रैक्चर लांगना कितना दाबांग के so that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number non के लादा के दुईटा irrational numbers इदो दाके को पिलो दुईटा irrational numbers इदो को सोनो के claim पोके claim मांगे पिलो so that root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational numbers let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is rational numbers let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational दे लाइटा फन के नॉन के rational पसी के हक लो सिता लगे तुम चीनी लो रलाम नदी लगे root 3 टे irrational root 5 टे irrational पुसिता इतम फन ना पाकलांग तो लांग कोसो ना पाकलांग ओके तक पना now root 3 plus root 5 comma equal p by q comma q is not equal to 0 implies root 5 equal p by q दे p by q लापु बांगते को पिलो minus root 3 दे next step root 5 equal p by q minus root 3 दे जो रखते हैं I'm squaring both sides. Kita ke pilo sino kedi root 5 into root 5 equal po 5 agar aga pilo a minus b whole square form kali makalang dah a minus b whole square deh so pada ke a square minus 2ab plus b square dan ke ko pilo dah ke itum ken to ke p by q upon ke a lapen root 3 upon ke ko pilo root 3 upon ke b lale ho pilo p by q whole square minus 2ab b के root 3 b के को पेलो b के root root 3 b के root 3 दे b के root 3 plus whole square implies 5 equal p by q whole square minus 2 root 3 p by q plus kuplo bangi rake root 3 into root 3 equal po 3 de silang thang okay pass long let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is rational numbers. Now, root 3 plus root 5 equal p by q is not, comma q is not equal to 0. Next step ke below implies root 5 ke dak dolo lapen root 3 ke left hand side se bang jilo ko below lapu plus pot ke lapu ke minus se bang jilo. Next step ke below pupu inda squaring eno di apu root 5 under squaring namlo puta both sides di both right pen left side ta squaring and loitum okay next ko pilo bang ke root 5 whole square pot ke 5 ke lada bang ke pametang thane lo di formula bang jilo da ke a minus b whole square formula ko pilo a square minus 2ab plus b square implies 5 next mena formula apply lo abilo da pilo lake a lake b pora pela de okay lake ko pilo a formula jito velo next ke abilo da long l Lorana pike implies 5 equal p square q square minus 2 root 3 p by q plus 3 implies 5 minus 3 equal p square q square minus 2 root 3 p by q implies the can for 5 minus 3 ke 2 equal p square minus q square minus 2 root 3 p by q implies nungke celapot po aso tu ke hapudam po lapen lasapot bangke puang po lake pudam po pute po 2 root 3 p by q equal p square by q square 2 ke hapudam te ko pila ceplain ke minus 2 next step ke implies 2 root 3 p by q equal apu ko pilo laso form ke horai ta itum laso nira form ko pilo again ke lemma LCM ke ko pipo q square p square minus 2q square next step implies root 3 equal q square u square into kopilo daga banke 2 p square by q athake p square minus 2q square de ore napilo laso q pen la square che than pet pa next ke kopilo root 3 equal p square minus 2q square q into lo banke q into q into 2p the so arrange the prena root 3 implies p square minus 2 root 2p q di lago pilo ke lake lago pilo rational de lage pilo rationals now p square minus 2q square by 2pq is rationals. Therefore root 3 is rational. So root 3 and ke tum ini rational di but this contradicts that the fact root 3 is irrationals. Root 3 is irrationals. People itum chini ma jadi sida itum tok nang ko podai ko pilo this problem arise these problems arise due to our wrong assumptions as below as root 3 plus root 5 is this problem arises due to our wrong assumptions as root 3 plus root 5 is rationals. Therefore root 3 plus root 5 is irrationals. Therefore root 3 plus root 5 is irrationals. Hence proof. Okay, first abanglo pen labangke second abanglo lama di last kita kapilo now p square minus 2q square by 2pq is rationals di lagi kapilo p by q afum tagondelo di therefore root 3 is rationals la pen hola ke equal pasi rational to just to ponosita Below this contradict that the fact root 3 is irrational. This problem arises due to our wrong assumption as root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Irrational. Là pen pini chapter ke lapuan si ington pon kok po la pen nanglang nun thubo moy la pen next a video nanglang nun thunon la pen kadu ka via phanda chuneng ridon lo la pen jongsi namumar la pen nane na family tum non inding ke ba somar jongsi do pute la pen la so video ho la kili neng jiao somar long kadu ka beta palle po basi ning thelo la pen video share tha un an la pen itum kadu ka be itum kar biang long lo somar kar bio somaranta la so channel pa thek long ra la pen pacharli pona la pen la si choneng ri lo kardom